Alright, beautiful people, welcome back to new video. Overacting tha wo to. So time is 4 o'clock now, and then I am starting this video now. Yes, I was busy with some work from early morning, a hectic work. Actually, what happened is my Instagram account got hacked last night. It was around 2 a.m. at today night 2 a.m. where I did my studies, and I was like in a hangover mode. The math, all the calculation was going in my mind, and I just went to bed to lie down for some time, not to sleep, to lie down for some time. I went and I just got a message from one of my friend in Telegram, and I clicked that dumb me click that link, and then it says one OTP you have to enter. I thought he might have sent some materials for the exam or something like that, or for UPSC related thing, because he is preparing for UPSC, and I thought something important he might have sent there. And then dumb me click there, and early morning I woke up and got a message text from my brother saying that your Instagram account is hacked. I couldn't believe how it got hacked. Then I realized, oh, because of that last night shit which I did, which dumb me did, because of that my account got hacked. Then from morning I was trying to figure out what to do next, what to do, how to recover, how to, if I log out also, the person will be having access of my account, on my account. Then what shall I do, I was thinking then, and then I contact one of my few of my friends, and one friend, he helped me out with some security stuff we did together. He is the one who will send me Telegram. I was using Telegram to watch movie. That is the main thing which I use Telegram for. And one channel was there where we get notification for competitive exam, those kind of thing. One channel was there, and for that, and one more channel was there for my SSB preparation. There for that three reasons. But the most amount of time I spend in Telegram is to watch a movie, which this friend who helped me from morning to figure out what to do, he helped me, and we did together, and we did something later. Around 11 o'clock, I contacted one more guy whom I know, whose Telegram account got hacked recently, and then he said you have to do this. He said, I asked him what did you do, and he narrated me everything, and then I did, and I went to Telegram, and then wrote about it, wrote a complaint to Telegram, and then I deleted that account, so that account doesn't exist anymore. Those bots or the people who hacked mine, it was showing, other device was showing from Russia. So it happens, the hackers, right? So they use VPN or however access to change the location and all. So they do like that. So my thing to you is, like, I just want to say, don't click in any kind of link you get wherever, maybe in WhatsApp, Instagram, any social media app or anywhere. Don't simply click, and especially don't enter any kind of detail like this. If they ask OTP or anything, any other credentials, don't directly enter. Just cross check once and cross check the source, and then you do your work. Especially if a person like me can do, I wouldn't have done. I was in, like I said, in a hangover type of mode, so I did. But elderly people who are not much aware of all this, they'll click, and their account will got hacked, and sometimes even cyber crime happens. All those things happens because of this. So just want to say, I have deleted the account, and I'm using new account now, so I don't have any problem that much with that. But just want to say that थोड़ा सावधान रहे, सतर्क रहे, be cautious, and do some actions when you are do some actions consciously, don't do unconsciously like me. I'm happy now, but in morning I was like tense very much, because especially those hackers, they try to blackmail you, or they send vulgar messages to your contacts. In my case, same thing happened. The other guy who hacked my account was sending vulgar content to other contacts, to my other contacts. So they do those things. Just be cautious and do things. Let's see what I do. I have placed dal to cook, and then I don't know what I'll do next, but I have to go out for one work. My brother's SIM card, there is some problem with that, and I have to go to Airtel office for that. Let's see what I do. So I am here in Airtel office, as you can see behind, and did something. They said I need to bring some document. It's for my brother, so I need to bring some document for verification, and then they will do. So I have to come here again tomorrow, or yeah, I think I'll come tomorrow probably. वापस चलना पड़ेगा अभी. Let's go then. This is the road. Just came out from cult. I inquired about the subscription and all. 15,000 है भाई 1 साल का, और अपने पास 1 रुपया तक नहीं है अभी, और मेंबरशिप है 15,000. भेड़. ठीक है, अभी आई एम गोइंग बैक टू माई होम स्वीट होम. आई विल सी यू गाइस ऑन द वे. So I am here in Kalt to take the membership. देख सकते हो कुछ ऐसा है. I'll tell you the full story once I take the membership. Here this beautiful creature is there, and where I was living brother, full party हो रहा है अपना एरिया में, और मैं अपना रूम में बैठा था. अभी बाहर निकला तो I'll show you with the back camera. पूरा देख सकते हो इधर ये मज़ा चल रहा है. Came back to room just now. It's almost 9 o'clock now. अभी खाना बनाना है. My back is really hurting. So I bought Cult subscription for 1 year. It costs 15K for me. 1 रुपया नहीं कमाता मैं, और 15,000 का Cult का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेके आया अभी. Let me take it as an investment to build body. अगर अपना सेहत है तो सब कुछ है. If we have health, then we have wealth. So from tomorrow onwards, gym videos you'll be seeing. And please, if you're watching here, do subscribe, do like, do comment, do break that subscribe button, hit. I'll cook and I'll see you guys during the time of dinner, or maybe in between. Let's see. Nobody knows. Guys, when your sister see your kitchen in video call, then didn't find anything, then this is what my sister did today. When we were in video call and she didn't find anything, she didn't see anything in my kitchen, so this is what she did. Let me show you. She ordered this many items for me. I just received it now. Yeah. She always knows what I need at what time. Having an elder sister is like मजे ही मजे. So I'm cooking my dinner now. दाल पका लिया, चावल बसा लिया. I'm going to cook the spinach, and I'll see you guys once cooking is done. Alright, beautiful people, it's 10:30 now. I'm very late for dinner today. Yes, I have cooked a delicious dinner, a delicious vegetarian dinner. Let me show you how it is. First dish, this is the first dish, which is a spinach cooked in a very beautiful manner. This is दाल, एकदम बढ़िया बनाया है दाल अपना. और इधर तो अपना चावल रेगुलर आप सब खाता हूँ मैं एकदम दबा के. आज वर्कआउट नहीं किया मैंने, वर्कआउट स्किप कर दिया क्योंकि जिम का मेंबरशिप ले लिया है. कल से एकदम जिम जाएंगे और जिम में करेंगे वर्कआउट. ऐसा नहीं है, आप घर में भी कर सकते हो वर्कआउट. थोड़ा काम था इसीलिए स्किप कर दिया. खाता हूँ मैं और मिलता हूँ आप लोग से खाने के बाद. ऑलराइट ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, अभी हो गया डिनर, एकदम दबा के खाया. वर्कआउट तो आज से 4 दिन हो गया किया नहीं, और खाना ऐसे खा रहा हूँ जैसे कि हर दिन 1000 कैलोरी बर्न कर रहा हूँ. सब इधर लग रहा होगा अभी, पर कल से जिम में तेल निकालना है. ये सब जो भी तेल इधर डिपॉजिट है सबको, स्पेशली ये टमी वाला को निकालना है. ठीक है, लेट मी एंड दिस वीडियो हियर. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 11 o'clock नाउ. आई हैव टू टेक बाथ, डू स्टडीज एंड सो मेनी वर्क टू डू. या I did so many things today. I didn't expect I will do this many things, and one thing before I end, having an elder sister is life, bro. Life is easy. Okay, if you're watching till here, do subscribe, do like, comment your beautiful thought, comment something that I can improve in my vlogging. You know, I know there is some default, I know I'm not completely good, complete. I know I need a lot of improvement in this, so I need your help in the sense recommendation what to do, and subscribe, like, share, comment, pin, सब कुछ करो, ज़रूर करना प्लीज़, बहुत मदद मिलता है मेरे को। और कल मिलते हैं आपसे कल वाला वीडियो में एकदम फ्रेश। कल तो जिम से भी शुरू हो जाएगा, तो मिलते हैं एकदम बढ़िया तरीके से कल वाला वीडियो में। डू गुड, बी हैप्पी, स्टे हैप्पी, वर्क हार्ड, मेक योर पेरेंट्स प्राउड, एंजॉय योर लाइफ at the fullest, at the peak of Mount Everest. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.